In the majority of collisions, the front side of the vehicle typically absorbs the majority of the impact. A grille guard serves as a vital ally in this regard. By receiving and absorbing the impact of a collision, it minimizes the force experienced by the front side of the vehicle. Tiger Auto offers a robust grille guard designed to provide maximum protection to the front center of your vehicle. Crafted from heavy-duty 2.5-inch marine-grade stainless steel tubes, this guard ensures durability and resilience against strong impacts. Seamless welding of joints ensures structural integrity without any weak points, while the textured black surface with e-coating enhances aesthetics, prevents rust, and delivers a rugged appearance. Equipped with a pre-welded light mount channel, the guard allows for the addition of LED lights as desired. Additionally, it features pre-drilled mounting holes for license plate relocation, if necessary, providing a secure hold for your license plate with 2 strong holes. The bolt-on installation process is straightforward, aided by an included installation guide and necessary mounts. However, some trimming of the factory skid plates may be required for installation. The Autosaver 88 Bull Bar offers both style and functionality for off-road enthusiasts seeking a sleek and shiny appearance. With its silver-colored glossy finish, this bull bar not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle but also provides reliable protection. Constructed from wide 3-inch stainless steel tubes, this bull bar prioritizes strength and durability. The glossy mirror finish not only adds to its shiny appearance but also effectively prevents rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Welded joints further enhance structural integrity, while ground welds maintain a smooth finish for a polished look. Equipped with a skid plate for added safety, the Bull Bar offers versatility as the plate can be easily removed if not needed. Additionally, 2 pre-drilled mounting holes allow for the optional installation of lights, providing additional customization options. The package includes all necessary hardware and a guide for a hassle-free bolt-on installation process, eliminating the need for drilling or cutting. If you're in need of a full grille guard with headlight protection, the Weston model is a standout choice for several compelling reasons. Crafted from e-coated stainless steel tubes with seamless welding, this guard ensures durability and reliability. The use of 2-inch tubes for the main structure and 1-1/4-inch tubes for support provides robust construction. One standout feature is the punch plate that fully covers the grille, offering comprehensive protection. The guard's one-piece solid construction further enhances its protective capabilities. The inclusion of extra-wide rubber strips covering the uprights is particularly noteworthy, as it helps to absorb the shock of impacts, contributing to overall safety. Additionally, the solid uprights with a one-piece design, coupled with powder coating to prevent rust, ensure longevity and durability. The Brush Guard by Black Horse presents a solid option at an attractive price point. It fits well in terms of size and aesthetics, seamlessly integrating with the overall front end of the vehicle. Offering ample space for a winch and providing robust protection, it meets the needs of truck owners seeking both functionality and style. Installation is relatively straightforward, though it may require some time due to the tight quarters where it bolts up. Additionally, achieving a flush fit might necessitate minor modifications. However, given its compatibility with the 2003 to 2009 Lexus GX 470 and Toyota 4Runner, it's a versatile choice for owners of these vehicles. The TAC Bull Bar Texture Black Front Bumper Grille Guard emerges as a compelling addition for Ford pickup truck or Expedition SUV owners seeking enhanced protection and aesthetics. Compatible with Ford F-150 models spanning from 2004 to 2020 and SUV models from 2003 to 2017, this grille guard is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring durability and impact resistance for vehicle safety. Pre-drilled holes allow for easy installation of additional lights, providing customization options to suit personal preferences. A dual-stage powder coating ensures resistance to corrosion and rust, preserving the guard's appearance over time. Thick rubber protectors contribute to a unique and durable finish. Featuring UV protection and resistance to shattering, the guard offers long-lasting durability. The inclusion of hardware for LED light installation further enhances customization possibilities. Aries offers a diverse range of grille guards and bull bars catering to various applications. Their standard grille guard boasts easy installation without the need for drilling and is available in polished stainless or semi-gloss black powder coat finishes. Constructed from durable stainless or carbon steel, these guards feature pre-drilled holes for mounting LED lights, utilizing 1.5-inch heavy wall tubing for robustness. A lifetime limited warranty is included, with a 1-year warranty on parts. For those seeking enhanced functionality, the Pro Series Grille Guard provides a more serious option. Equipped with a patented LED light bar housing and interchangeable plate options, the Pro Series lineup features one-piece construction and comes in 4 finishes: brushed stainless, polished stainless, semi-gloss black powder coat, and textured black powder coat.